Hi everybody, welcome back. You're watching Tarot Mystic 1111. Let's see what are the messages that the universe wants you to know. What are your person's current thoughts and feelings, or what's actually happening in your situation, in your life right now? Okay, let's see. I do see someone is going crazy. This person is heavily thinking about you. They could be waking up at odd hours at night and they're having sleepless nights. They're feeling anxious. There is some sort of anxiety here. This could even be in terms of commitment. Maybe for some of you, their family is not willing to accept you, or there could be some family differences, some cultural, social differences between the two of you, some sort of differences there, and it's definitely in regards to commitment. And that is the reason this person just can't keep you out of their mind. And at the same time, this person is trying to be patient. They're trying to deal the situation patiently. Right now things look very challenging, but this person will definitely soon come up with a solution.